How to use iMovie. When you download iMovie and open for the first time, this is going to be the page. Now you can click on Magic Movie and you can choose a media and it's going to automatically edit it based on the clip for you. If you want to create storyboards, you can click on storyboard. But if you want to custom edit whatever you want, click on movie. Once you do that, you need to choose the video which you want to edit and just click on, create movie at the bottom. Then the editing part opens up. Now over here, it's pretty simple. You can just click on the timeline. Once you click on the footage on the timeline, a lot of effect is going to show up at the bottom. You can split it. If you click on split, it's going to make a cut. Just like this, you can just make another cut by clicking on detach. And it's going to detach the video's audio and video separately like this, okay? And if you click on the arrow pointing at the left at the top right corner over here, it's going to make it rechange again. This is basically what it's going to do. So yeah, you can basically just play around with it. You can also click on the little speedometer at the bottom to control its speed. You can click on the volume to manage its volume. You can click on T to create or add your own custom text over here like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can play around with it. And after you're done with the edit, just click on done at the top left and you can basically see the video is done. Now you can share it by clicking on the share button, or you can play the video by clicking on this play button, or you can just click on this dustbin icon to delete whatever you just edited like this. That's how you guys can use iMovie. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.